morning. My name is Ravali. Today I will explain about OOPS concept. OOPS is Object-Oriented Programming System. It follows four principles. They are abstraction, second one is encapsulation, third one is inheritance, and last one, fourth one is polymorphism. The definition of abstraction, it is an act of representing the essential features hiding the background details. It is called abstraction. In abstraction, the real-time example of abstraction, a car, as a car driver, we need to know about that car, basic things of car, how to apply the gates, how to put in the accelerators. We need to know the basic things about that car, but internally working of car not required to the user. But in Java we have to see. I will take a one program, public show method. Open with some block of code and close it brace. Here, this is in Java. We will just show the method signature. This is called method signature. And this is the method body. Method body is hidden here. This is called abstraction. And coming to the encapsulation. Encapsulation, it is a process combining the data and code into a single unit. Combining the data and code into a single unit. This is called encapsulation. Encapsulation, we can achieve classes, methods, and objects also. And now we have to see syntaxes about classes. Classes syntaxes. Here class name, class and class name. Open brace, some block of code and close it brace. This is class syntaxes. And coming to the method syntax. Method syntax is method name, open brace, some block of code and close it brace. And last one is object syntax. Object syntax, class name, object, new, class name. This is object syntax. This is abstraction. And coming to the encapsulation. Coming to the inheritance. Inheritance. What is inheritance first of all? Inheritance is a process where one class acquires the properties to another class. Suppose in inheritance there are 4 types. They are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, third one is hierarchical inheritance, and fourth one is hybrid inheritance. First we have to see about single inheritance. Single inheritance, there will be one parent class and one child class here. This is one parent class and this is one child class. Class 1 and class 2. Here we have to use extend keyword. Extend. Here parent class means the properties it gives the other class. It is a parent class. The properties it gets a other class. It is called child class. And coming to the multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, minimum 3 classes. Class 1, class 2 and class 3. Here child class will be again behave like a parent class. This is multi-level inheritance. And third one is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there will be one parent class and more than one child class. This is one parent class these are child classes. Class 1, class 2, class 3 and class 4. Parent class and this is child class. This is called hybrid inheritance. And last one is, this is called hierarchical inheritance. And last one is hybrid inheritance. In hybrid inheritance, combining the combination of 2 or more inheritance. That is called hierarchical inheritance. Here we have to see, this is single inheritance. This is multi-level inheritance. And this one is hierarchical inheritance. And this whole diagram is hybrid inheritance. This is about hybrid inheritance. This is called hybrid inheritance. And last one is polymorphism. In polymorphism, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism is a process where one particular person will exhibit different behaviors and different situations. Polymorphism is, what will I say? It is a process where one particular person will exhibit different behaviors and different situations. And different situations. The real-time example of polymorphism, there is a one person, he will go to the office, he will do in that office as a employee. In that company, suppose he will have a children. This person in that company as a father, he will do the job as a father in that company. And suppose he have a siblings, he will do the job as a that company brother. In similarly, Java will exhibit different outputs depending upon the different inputs. This is called polymorphism. In polymorphism, we have two types. They are static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. In static polymorphism, it is done at compile time only. Compile time through method overloading. Here, method overloading means the method name should be different and the parameters or the method overloading means method names should be different and parameters are same. In method overloading, the method name should be same and be having different parameters. And dynamic polymorphism, it is done at runtime through method overriding. Method overriding means the method names here. Method overloading means method name should be same and parameters also same. This is about the polymorphism. Okay, thank you. This is all about OOPS concept.